In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Loi Dusk effect on Instagram. So if you want to give your photos a unique AI-generated look before posting them to your story, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on your story and select a photo from your gallery, or take a new picture using your camera. Once your photo is loaded, tap on the restyle icon, which looks like a brush. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see various AI effects and styles that you can apply to your image. Scroll through the available options and look for the Loi Dusk effect. If you can see it, simply tap on it to apply the effect to your photo. If you don't see the effect right away, scroll to the end of the list and tap See All. You can then search for Loi Dusk and select it from the available results. Instagram will take a few moments to generate the effect and apply it to your image. Once the process is complete, preview the result and see if you're happy with how the photo looks. You can also customize the image further by entering additional instructions and letting Instagram adjust the style based on your preferences. After that, you can add text, stickers, music, or any other story elements you want. Finally, tap your story to publish it. And that's how you can add the Loi Dusk effect on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials and tips.